Ever wondered how creators on Facebook get paid directly by their fans? It's all thanks to Facebook Stars. Stars are a digital tip. Viewers buy and send them during your live streams to show support. Each star you receive turns into real money for you, the creator. When someone enjoys your content, they can send stars instantly. It's a direct way to support your work. Stars help you earn and build a stronger connection with your community. They're more than just money. They're a sign your content matters. The first big step to earning stars is to start a Facebook live stream. Going live is your stage. It's where you can connect with your audience in real time. Unlike a pre-recorded video, you can see comments as they come in, answer questions on the spot, have a real conversation with your viewers. To start, go to your Facebook page, tap the live button, write a catchy description for your stream. It might feel nerve-wracking at first, but the more you do it, the more comfortable it becomes.
How do you ask for stars without sounding pushy? Be genuine and explain why their support matters. You can say something like, "If you're enjoying this stream, you can support my channel by sending stars."
Every star helps me create more videos like this for you all. You can mention it casually when you see someone has sent stars.
For example, "Thank you, Sarah, for the stars. I really appreciate your support."
This acknowledges the giver and gently reminds others. Explaining the impact of their support can be very effective. Tell your audience that stars help you buy better equipment, like a new microphone or camera. Or maybe it helps you dedicate more time to creating content instead of working another job. They become partners in your creative journey, making their support feel more meaningful. To encourage viewers to send stars, you need to give them a reason to stay engaged. Your content is key. Think about what your audience loves to see. Gaming session where you showcase your skills. Cooking tutorial where you teach a new recipe. Quanda session where you answer their most burning questions. Make it fun and interesting. High energy and enthusiasm are contagious. If you are excited, your audience will be excited too. Plan your live stream content in advance. Create interactive moments during your stream. Run polls and ask viewers to vote. Example poll: which game should I play next, A or B? This gives your audience a sense of control. Host a mini challenge or run a giveaway for your viewers. Simple, fun activities create memorable experiences. Recognize and celebrate your supporters. It's essential. When someone sends you stars, make a big deal out of it. Announce their name, thank them personally. Trigger a special on-screen alert or sound. That makes the sender feel appreciated and shows everyone else you value supporters. This creates a positive feedback loop where others are encouraged to send stars. Offer special perks for top supporters. If you want more viewers to join your live stream, you need to let them know about it ahead of time. Promoting your stream is just as important as the stream itself. A few days before you go live, create a post announcing the date, time, topic. You can create a cool graphic or short video teaser to build excitement. Ask your followers to turn on live notifications so they get an alert as soon as you start. Setting a star goal for each stream can be a huge motivator for your audience. People love working together to reach a common objective.
At the beginning of your stream, announce a goal. Let's see if we can reach 5,000 stars today.
Use an on-screen overlay to track progress toward the goal. This creates a sense of teamwork with a clear target to aim for. When the goal is reached, make sure you deliver on your promise. It could be doing a silly dance, playing a bonus game, or revealing a secret. Consistency is your best friend. Try to stream on a regular schedule, once a week or a few times a week. When followers know when to expect you, they can make time to tune in. A predictable schedule builds loyal viewership, turning casual watchers into dedicated fans. Each session is an opportunity to practice and improve. Over time, this consistency will pay off in both viewership and support. Don't be afraid to be creative and try new things. Experiment with different types of content and new interactive segments. And different promotional strategies. Pay attention to your analytics to see what works best for your audience. What kind of streams get the most viewers and the most stars? Learn from your successes and your failures. The journey of a creator is one of constant growth and adaptation. Keep showing up, keep providing value, and keep engaging with your community. If you do that, your audience will grow, and so will their support. Before you can start receiving stars, make sure your page is eligible. Facebook has requirements, like being part of their Level Up program, meeting certain follower counts and engagement metrics. Check your page's eligibility in Creator Studio first. Once you're approved, you can enable stars for your live videos. This is a crucial first step. It's like opening the doors to your shop. Without enabling this feature, your audience won't have the option to send you stars. So take a moment to navigate through your settings and get everything set up correctly.